Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Redmi mobile guys Talkback stop setting, how to stop Talkback in Android phone and in all Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to stop Talkback, you have Talkback setting, you have enabled Talkback, and now you want to disable, you want to stop Talkback in Redmi mobile. So friends, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So friends, first of all open your phone with two finger, because guys if you swipe one finger you cannot unlock your Redmi mobile. Use your two finger, swipe here. Again use your two finger, one tap on back button, double tap here, and once again use your two finger. And friends you want to stop Talkback, so friends one tap here, double tap, continue, because friends if you one tap you cannot stop Talkback in your Redmi mobile in your Android phone. Press double tap, continue. After on double tap friends click here about phone setting. Use your two finger and again scroll. Open your phone additional setting, one tap, and friends again double tap, because if you one tap you cannot open phone additional setting. Double tap, again use your two finger, accessibility, double tap, vision setting, double tap, Talkback, one tap, and friends double tap here. Use Talkback, one tap, and again double tap, stop button. So once you want to stop Talkback in your Redmi mobile, so when double tap here and when Talkback will stop, double tap, Talkback stop. And friends now you can use your Redmi mobile without Talkback. And friends you don't know about Talkback, so friends you can see here how to use Talkback, how to on Talkback, how to turn off Talkback. And friends you can set up your Redmi mobile Talkback from here. And friends Talkback shortcut setting you want to, so you can enable and you can use it. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to stop Talkback in Redmi mobile.